Let's learn how to upload a long video on Facebook. If you don't have this option, and you want to have it but don't know how to enable it, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you won't have this problem anymore. The first way is to check if your Facebook is updated by opening the App Store. When the App Store opens, you will be on a page you shouldn't be on. You need to be on the search page, which opens when you click on the search option located in the bottom right corner. When the search page opens, type in Facebook. When you have typed it in, a page with Facebook will open. If it says Open next to it, then your app is updated. But if it says Update, click on that and wait a few minutes. If this doesn't work, then try opening Messenger. When it opens, you will be on the Chats page, which you shouldn't be on. The page you need to be on is Stories, which opens when you click on the Stories option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. When that page opens, click on the option to add a new story located at the top of the page, and a page where you can add that video will open. You will add the video by clicking on the video option. As you can see, it doesn't allow me to upload it because it's a long video, but it works for me on Facebook, and for some, it works on Messenger. The next thing you need to do is click on the Save option located in the upper right corner. When you've done that, you have successfully uploaded a long video to your story. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.